Hello family, I'm Bitly. Today is May 6, 2024, and I'm going to introduce a new coin that just came out called Spectrecoin, short for SB. Secondly, this coin has two innovative aspects. One is the modification of the Casper coin's algorithm, changing the algorithm into 3 steps. The first step, it applies the share 3HC algorithm to transaction data. Step 2, use Astro BWTV3 to perform bandwidth hardening conversion. Step 3 involves using the heavy hash algorithm to complete the proof of work, thus resisting ASIC miners. Another is the aggressive reduction mechanism. Almost every month there will be a reduction operation, because this is definitely innovative and not illegal. The wallet and blockchain explorer are both very standard, so it caught my attention right away. Wait for me to test the computing power. It can test perfectly. Immediately after, it was sent to the VIP group's big shots through email notification. Everyone quickly started up right away. Super fast, fast. This time, our Bitly community has once again outpaced the entire network, taking a sweeping view from Zhongshan Xiao. Even if you're not a member, it's okay. I'll now teach you step by step how to mine this wall. Since this project already has a web wallet, you can apply for your own web wallet on the website. The link to the web wallet is provided below the video. In the browser, open the web wallet interface.
Click New Wallet.
Click the button, then set your wallet password. Note that the wallet password must be of a certain complexity. 2 simple passwords will not be accepted. Once created, a 12-word mnemonic phrase will be generated. Be careful, you must keep this mnemonic phrase safe for later use in wallet recovery. Next, you will need to answer 3 questions to ensure you have remembered this mnemonic phrase. After answering the questions, you can enter the wallet interface, where your wallet address will be generated. Make sure to save this wallet address for future mining uses. If you want to mine on the Windows platform, you need to download a local SPRB wallet on your Windows computer to synchronize the blocks. The reason why many people in the group complain that the block cannot be synchronized is because of the wallet configuration. So, here I have carefully prepared a synchronization wallet script specially customized for the BitColumnist community, specifically for various wallet synchronization problems. If you need, you can join our Byte Hunters Telegram group by grabbing the link I put under the video. All you need to do in the group is send the lowercase sp2 tutorial to get the links. The group robot will automatically pop up the SPRB tutorial and wallet sync file. Very convenient. After obtaining our community customized sync wallet, the first step is to run the wallet sync node. Pay attention. The first run won't sync properly, so we need to shut down the program first, then go to the data file directory. Here, a folder named betadir2 was created, containing the block data. You need to open a web browser to download the latest blockchain data compression file. The download link is placed under the video. This compressed file is nearly 800 megabytes, so downloading takes some time. After downloading, first, we delete the automatically generated folder named beta12, and then delete the folder below. Copy the downloaded block data compressed file into the folder, replacing the deleted datadirt folder. After extracting, we rerun the first step of the wallet, syncing the node. If there's a block download progress on the interface, it means the wallet is syncing.
A few minutes later.
Wait about a few minutes, and the wallet will sync up. Once synced, you can follow the standard procedure to run the 1st to the 9th script files to create, restore a wallet, and transfer funds. Before, we had already created a web wallet to simplify the process and achieve the purpose of fast mining. We can skip these steps. Simply edit the 10th script file. You only need to change your wallet address and the number of mining processes to start mining. If you wish to connect to a remote node for mining, you still need to add the remote node's IP address, and then add the remote node. Save the script file afterward.
Double-click to execute.
The mining program has successfully started mining. If found block appears on your interface, it means you are mining quickly. You can go back to the web wallet page you created earlier, where it shows that you have already mined 72 coins. You can click the send button to fill in the transfer address and amount to carry out the transfer function of SPRB. Alright, that's the end of the tutorial for mining SPRB on Windows platform. Next, I'll show you how to mine SPRB on a Linux platform. First, I recommend getting a cloud server in the USA or Europe for node browsing. Sync, because local sync often fails due to network issues. It's recommended to buy cloud servers from the American company Recnerd, as they are cheap. The purchase link is placed below the video. Go to the homepage, click the pink banner above to enter the New Year's event interface. Here, there are 4 price tiers of VPS to choose from. The lowest price is $11.49. The highest is $37.38 per year. It is recommended to buy this 2 and 4 gigabyte one for $37.38 per year. On one hand, it allows multitasking. On the other hand, it requires less to operate. You can also use it for mining later. Make sure to choose a system with OpenTool 22 installed. Just buy it, and you're set. I will demonstrate using the OpenTool system here, opening the Purchase Cloud Server with the Xshell program. Since the cloud server doesn't have a graphical interface, it's not convenient for family members to use. I've prepared a synchronization script here for everyone. If you need it, you're also welcome to come to our BitElect human Telegram group to claim it. You just need to send the lowercase SPR in the group to get these few letters. Group robots will automatically pop up SPRB tutorials and Linux platform opinion sync exchange version. Copy and paste the synchronization script, press enter to run, and the script will automatically help you download and synchronize block data, which is very convenient.
A few minutes later.
Wait about 10 minutes or so. Once the wallet is synced, you can execute the mining command manually, similar to the Windows platform. Of course, if you find it too troublesome, you can also execute the one-click mining script prepared for you by our BitHunter community. Just copy, paste, and hit enter to run the mining script. The script will ask you to enter the mining wallet address. The number of mined coins and the RPC node IP address for mining are available because the sync node runs locally. So, here for the IP address, I fill in 127.00.1. If you want to connect to a remote node, you need to enter the remote IP address here. After entering, press enter to run, and the mining program officially starts. Here's a little tip. The OpenTool node sync program will automatically exit, so we need to be mindful of that. I've also provided a daemon script here for you. As soon as the SPRB sync program is detected to have automatically exited, the daemon will automatically restart the node sync program. This ensures that your mining machine can always remain in a mining state, so we don't waste computing power just because we can't connect to a node. After running the script to start the daemon, a message will appear saying the daemon has started. Then we can try to manually stop the syncing node program that's running. Back to the daemon interface. Here it shows the sync node program has been restarted. We're executing the command to sync nodes, finding the node operating normally. Okay, that's it for today's SPRB mining tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our BitHunter channel and turn on the notification bell. If you want faster and more professional guidance and information, you are also welcome to join our BitHunter VIP member group. Thank you for your support.